I renewed the passport. Okay, the first thing that I did was I renewed the passport, and after that I called my mom and I was like, please take me with you, please. I'll be your personal assistant. I'll do everything that you say. I'll obey rules. I'll be good. Please take me. Good morning. It's not good morning. It's good afternoon. It's good afternoon. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, I'm not having one of those productive days since the past 3 days because basically I had planned the whole week out before I was going to my trip. Yeah, I'll tell you where my trip was, okay? But first, hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's continue with the day and I'll tell you about the trip. So, suspense bake. In Jude right now because my mom needed to buy some socks and like 2 tops. I don't know, but mom shopping. But yeah, nevertheless, I have shopped everything for the trip. Actually, yeah, I have shopped everything for the trip. Yeah, I have to look that well because yeah, I woke up at 2 o'clock, but I didn't get enough sleep. Okay. Anyways, I need to find where's my mom because she has a class at around 5:30 and I have to go back. She just told me that we were gonna buy some socks and we'll get out of here, bro. Unreasonable.
Searching something else.
She's searching something else. Noise. ಬೇಡ ಅಲ್ಲ
99 ರೂಪೀಸ್ಗೆ ಪರ್ಫ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ತಿರೋ ಸರ್
ಬೇಡ ಸರ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಜಿಂಕ್ ಸಾಕ್ಸ್ ನಂದೆ ದಿಸ್ ಮೈ ಮಾಮ್ಸ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಿಂಕ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ನಮಗೆ ರೂಢಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎನಿವೇಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ನಾವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋ ಮೀಟ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ let them figure out first where I'm going and then I'll let you guys. Seriously expect I didn't tell my friends. Come on. If you didn't know this already, my mom's a renowned international Bharatanatyam artist, okay? If you didn't know this already, my mom is a renowned international Bharatanatyam artist, okay? And she has given tons of international Bharatanatyam performances with her group as well as solos. So this time, she got an offer from, I don't particularly know the name of the resorts and the organizers companies, but yeah, I should have known it. But yeah, that's not the point. Yeah, she got invited there and she sent me the message of them in sending her the invitation. She asked me to renew her passport because it had been like 3 years since it wasn't renewed, but mine passport was ready and I was a man with a plan. No man with plan and all bullshit, bro, because I saw the yeah, and I saw her invitation. Yeah, I didn't know where the performance was, the actual seminar hall thingy, but I saw the destination and the location of the program and I renewed the passport. Okay, the first thing that I did was I renewed the passport, and after that I called my mom and I was like, please take me with you, please. I'll be your personal assistant. I'll do everything that you say. I'll obey rules. I'll be good. Please take me. And yeah, she's my mom. It doesn't take me too long to actually convince her to do something. It doesn't actually take me a lot of time to convince her. So yeah, here I am going to. I'll tell where I'm going. Some other outcome. Yes, Pratik Kanaji. How was your Bangalore trip, my man?
ಸೊ ನಾಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಮಾತಾಡೋಂಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಶೋಡ್ ಹಾಕೇನೆ
ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ.
ವೈ ಡು ಯು ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಅಂಥದ್ದೇನಾಯ್ತು?
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಭಾಳ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡೋದು ಕೆಲಸ ಭಾಳ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಫಕ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರೋ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಅಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ? ವಿಚ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್?
ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್.
The only place, yes. That is acronym OP. Okay, this place is called OP, and we have come here since we were like in PUC. I was 16 years old, and this guy, yeah, 16 years old. Same. Yeah, it's been a very good place for us. Like they play snooker over there, and yeah, 30 by. They play snooker over there, and yeah, us friends, we hang out here almost every single day. Like, you know, this place gives us those Dandeli vibes. I called Kaka, but he's running a little late, so I have to make do with Pratik Kanji right here. So Pratik Kanji, where do you think I am going?
ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ
ಬಾ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಸದ್ಯ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಹೋಗ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
Inshallah. What is up, my man? Please give it just please.
ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬರ್
say bad baat.
I don't give content.
Thank you. And that is content.
Pay me, I'll give content.
Yes, plus other huಡುಗರು
ನಂಗೆ ಚಳಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ವಾ ನಿಂಗೆ ಬೇಕಂತ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್
ಹಾಡಾಕ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. JP Kaka has been playing snooker since the past 6 years. He took a gap of almost 1.5, 2 years. Plus, he's good at it. Nice.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're
Just choose your color. It's up to flavor.
Yeah, we played the board and time is around 8:34. Yeah, 8:40 max. I'm going to Sonic's house. Sonic Harshit Mundargi, to his house to collect the GoPro from him because I need the GoPro for the trip. Yeah, we'll go talk to Sonic though. He might have something good to say. Nice. I like this haircut. Nice. I love it. I'm upstairs in Sonic's house to look at the setup. Again, I mean, I have seen the setup. To show it to you guys. Just check it out. Like, just look at this. Nice, man. Thank you for the GoPro. Varuna? Yes, taking care of GoPro. Yes, thank you, man. After cuts. After cuts, we are going to. Hey, how's that? Yellow tunnel. What do you wanna eat, my man? Kids Sunday. Kids Sunday. Yes, Kids Sundays. You know the thing about Kids Sundays, that's allowed only for kids, nobody else. Like, you can't come here and be like, bro, my kid is waiting outside, I want the Kids Sunday fun. There has to be a kid and he has to order everything, which is not reasonable enough. I mean, let me tell you why, okay? The Kids Sunday, right? Now, for example, check this one, Cookie Man. That's chocolate vanilla ice cream with cookies, choco, gems and chocolate dip waffle cone, only for 99 rupees. Fucking polar bear. All that for 99 rupees, bro. Now we'll cash it score. Okay, we are waiting for the ice cream now. Yeah, I know. That's enough bullshit for the video, okay? So let me tell you properly where we are going. Yeah, instead of saying this, I'll play in the clip wherein I said where I'm going to Vinayak for the first time. Okay, so good morning, Vinayak Patil. What's the date today?
7 September.
7 September. Okay. So on October 1st, 2nd and 3rd, you know what's there?
Second is Gandhi Jayanti. I don't know what's on first and third.
Mumbai. Why do something?
Fuck! ಹೆಂಗೆ
All thanks to Mr. Dr. Sana Buttar.
ಹೌದಾ?
Yes, ಒಮ್ಮೆಗೆ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ and mom's taking me as a PA. Now ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲ್ತು ನಂಗೇನು ಪುಕಟ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್. Thank you.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಸೋದಿರಿ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್.
Yes.
ಕಾಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್.
Thanks, sir.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಆಗಲಿ. खरे ना आंटी
Yeah, that was his reaction, and that is exactly how I feel right now, because today's date is 27th of September, okay? 28, 29, 29th of September, I'm leaving to Maldives. Yes, I'm leaving to Maldives. That is, I'll be going from Hubli to Bangalore and staying there in Bangalore for one day, and the next day I have a flight to catch from Bangalore to Maldives. And I'll explain all of the other stuff in my first vlog of the whole trip. That will be, I think, after I come back from the trip. But yeah, that's about it. I'm just making this video to let you guys know I am going in the first place. And yeah, just stay tuned on my Instagram. I have a page on Instagram as well, and you can just check all of the reels, the videos, and everything that I put off the whole trip for time being on the page. So yeah,
Thank you.
yes. With saying that, thank you so much for making me a part of your day. My name is Batta. Welcome to the family.
Getting serious, make a bitch delirious. Bitches on my dick, cause a boy so mysterious. That's a mystery, thoughts making history. Wrist keeps spinning like a fucking rotisserie.